You've bought some Bitcoin, or maybe Ethereum, or something a little more exotic. You're excited about the possibilities, but then, what? It sits there on the exchange, a potential treasure chest you can't quite seem to unlock. Well, fear not, crypto comrade. Today's episode is all about taking control of your digital assets and transferring them from Newton to your own personal wallet. That way, you hold the keys, literally, kind of, and can leverage your crypto however you see fit. Now, before we dive in, a quick word of caution. Crypto wallets come in all shapes and sizes, with varying levels of security and complexity. This video will walk you through the general transfer process on Newton, but remember, it's crucial to choose a reputable wallet that aligns with your needs and technical expertise. Do your research, folks. Okay, with that security disclaimer out of the way, let's get down to business. First things first, you'll need to have your Newton account ready to go, logged in and primed. We'll also assume you already have a crypto wallet set up. If not, there are tons of resources online to help you choose and configure one. Alright, on the Newton platform, you'll find a navigation menu on either the left side of your screen, desktop, or the bottom of your screen, mobile app. Look for the option that says Withdraw or Withdrawal. This is your gateway to freedom, my friend. Clicking on Withdrawal will bring you to a new screen with a few different choices. We're interested in the option that says Crypto to Wallet. This might be slightly phrased differently depending on the version of Newton you're using, but the core message remains the same, sending your crypto out to play in the wider world. Now comes the important part, the recipient address. This is the unique digital address associated with your crypto wallet, kind of like a super secure mailbox specifically for your cryptocurrency. You'll need to find this address within your wallet app. It might be displayed as a long string of alphanumeric characters, or you might have the option to scan a QR code. Security superstar tip: double and triple check this address before proceeding. Sending crypto to the wrong address is a classic rookie mistake, and unfortunately, in most cases, those funds are gone forever. Once you're absolutely certain you have the correct address, you can copy and paste it into the designated field on the Newton withdrawal screen. Next, you'll need to specify the amount of crypto you want to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal amounts set by Newton, and remember, transaction fees might also apply. Once you've entered the amount, take a moment to review everything carefully. Is the address correct? Is the amount what you intended? If you're happy with everything, you can hit that glorious confirm button. Newton might ask you to enter your two-factor authentication code for an extra layer of security. This is a good thing. Once confirmed, the withdrawal process will be initiated. The speed of the transfer will depend on the specific cryptocurrency you're sending and the current network traffic. Bitcoin transfers, for example, can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more. Newton should provide you with an estimated time frame or a transaction ID that you can use to track the progress. Top tip: don't panic if your crypto doesn't appear in your wallet instantaneously. Give it some time, and if you're still concerned after a reasonable wait period, you can always reach out to Newton's customer support for assistance. Now, with your crypto safely nestled in your own wallet, you have a few exciting options. You can hold onto it for the long term, hoping for a price increase. You can use it to make online purchases at stores that accept crypto payments. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, you could even explore the world of decentralized finance, DeFi. The possibilities are vast, and the key point is, you're now in control. Transferring crypto from Newton to your wallet empowers you to manage your digital assets according to your own vision. So, that's it for today's video. Hopefully, you now feel confident about navigating the withdrawal process on Newton and taking charge of your crypto destiny. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay informed, and don't be afraid to explore the ever-expanding possibilities of this exciting new asset class. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.